So some of that still persists with us today. We look at the Confederate flag. So some historians argue for the long, quote, long Civil War.
Sure. And it's really long. It's a civil war that never ends, kind of. And I certainly think that there are ramifications from the Civil War that have never ended. But I think the Civil War ended, and I think it ended in the early summer of 1865 with the destruction of the Confederate government, the absolute dissolution of all the Confederate military forces. I think that is the end of the Civil War. People at the time thought it was too. What comes afterward, the long coda, Reconstruction is a 12-year coda to a 4-year war that works out some of the difficulties of how you put the nation back together. And then beyond that, you have these different memory streams that have been contending with one another that still, some of which still reverberate today, and including what are you going to do with the Confederate flag, which there are a lot of nitwits around. They don't even know what the Confederate flag was. They fly a rectangular version of the St. Andrew's cross. That is not the Confederate flag. They call it the Confederate flag. The Confederate flag that had a St. Andrew's cross wasn't a rectangle, it was a square. And the actual Confederate flag had 3 big bars and then stars up in it. Looks kind of like the United States flag. They don't even know that, and they go around flying it everywhere. It's a symbol and pretend that it represents all kinds of things. The Confederate flag cannot be divorced from all the times that version of it, the St. Andrew's Cross version. Every Ku Klux Klan group flew it. You just can't sanitize it. And I mean, I saw Confederate flags in Britain and Ireland. I mean, it's become a sort of up yours symbol, I think, in some places of just sort of rebellion, not necessarily tethered specifically.
Rebellion against this institutions.
Against authority and institutions and the ruling class. And but here it has a very specific meaning and you just can't separate it. People should quit trying.